Okay, so we've got our two strings ready to go, face side, face edge, opposite. Just a bit of preparation now. We need to figure out and talk about the rise and the going and that triangle that it creates. I've roughly sketched on a piece of paper just to allow me to picture what's going on. There's a 90mm rise and then there's a 120 going. Make that into a triangle. The hypotenuse is the longest edge, will actually be the pitch of your stairs. Okay, and we've talked about the regulations for those in the theory session. From that step, if I turn that upside down, that will be your step. Okay, and from there we need a margin, and that's the gap between where the riser and the tread meet, just to give a margin of timber along the top of the string. Okay, from that drawing we can set out on a piece of timber how the margin template will look. Okay, and then from there we've made a pitch board. So the pitch board basically is that drawing recreated with all the same sizes. So there's your rise, there's your going. That's how it looks on the staircase. That way, that's your rise. Okay, we'll turn that upside down and then you've got all those dimensions. We've also left the margin there, and we've made this with one piece of timber rather than screwing a piece of timber either side. It's just easier to line these faces up because this will be used on one side and then on the opposite side. So they have to be exactly the same. So the way to do that, cut a nice groove down the center, make the width of the groove whatever your material is. This particular material is 6mm MDF. So I've got a 6mm groove in there, straight down, probably about 6 to 10mm deep. Mark out your MDF, slide that in there. A couple of screws will do to hold it, and if you have to micro adjust it, then your screws will allow you just to take that out and replace it. If you glue it, it's got to be bang on first time. Okay, so that's your pitch board ready to mark out.